body வந்து plain with golden stripes. Borderல இந்த மாதிரி floral prints இருக்கும். பல்லுல full பல்லுமே வந்து floral prints இருக்கு with the golden zari border. This will be your blouse where you will have complete floral print. We have 3 colors. One is yellow with green, the other one is lavender with green, and another one is pink with green. So this Onam collection saree is priced at $675 where you will have complete floral print pallu. உங்களோட body of the saree la வந்து plain saree la here and there you will have floral prints like this, and you have a running blouse for this. This saree is priced at $675 plus. This beautiful Onam collection saree is priced at $650 plus shipping. Beautiful saree with zari lining all over the body, and you will have a pastel pink border, and in the saree oda pallula you will be having the same pastel pink border. So in the saree kume ungalku vandu running la blouse irukum. You can mix match it with the contrast blouse. Idhula wide ranges of colors irukku.